Lomgomo olibangise eNingizimu Africa ukuyosindisa impilo yabantu. Izodlula eDubai bese idlulela eGoli nokuyilapho kulindeleke ukuthi ifike khona kusasa.
After the arrival of the vaccine, they will undergo some technical processes of quarantine, which is specified in the law, quality assurance, reconciliation, how many vials are there, how many are broken, how many needs to be returned back, and all of those issues. These are all necessary for the safe distribution of the vaccine. These processes will take a minimum of 10 days and a maximum of 14 days to complete, upon which we will then be ready to distribute the vaccines to all the provinces.
INingizimu Africa ihlele ukugoma abantu abayizigidi eziyishumi ehlandleni lokuqala uma isifikile. Abazoqala ukugoma kuzoba yizisebenzi zezempilo asebekhulile kanye nabanamahlala khona. Mahlanu amazwe asezwenikazi iAfrica asewaqalile amalungiselelo okuthola lemgomo. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi amazwe asathuthuka kumele na kanjani ayithole lemgomo.
In other cases, vaccines are packaged right here on the African continent, yet we struggle to access them for our populations. Vaccine prices are high, and many countries may not afford to vaccinate enough of their population to achieve herd immunity.
Lena ke kuzoba yimgomo yokuqala ukufika qathatha eNingizimu Africa selokhu yakhungathwa umashaya bhuqe weCOVID-19 enyakenye. Phakathi noNhlolanja kuzolethwa eminye futhi imgomo eyizinkulungwane ezingama500. iIndia yethembise ukuthi izoqhubeka nokusebenzisana neNingizimu Africa.
Made in India corona vaccine
We're committed to not just saving the lives of our citizens, but also of citizens of other nations. Right now, we're exporting 2 made in India vaccines, but in the months ahead, there will be more. This will allow us to help out other nations and send more doses to them quickly.
iIndia kumanje isigome abantu abayizigidi ezintathu. Ihlela ukuthi kushaya uncwaba kulonyaka ibe isigome ongenani abantu abayizigidi ezingama300.